the little side, and I like to just give it a fold. They have already scored this for us, but you want to kind of go in there and bend where they put the scores. It's just going to help your project out so that you won't have to do that part once the box is configured. And I love, like I said, I love Sizzix dies. I have a ton of them in my craft room, and I use them a lot. So I'm not new to crafting, but I am new to YouTube. So what you want to do is just take some glue. This is a glue runner. I love this glue. Sometimes you got to give it a little start. I use this so much. What is this? AdTech Permanent Bond Glue Runner. I use this brand a lot, but there are other brands that I use. If there is something that you all use that you think would be better, please let me know and I will give it a try. And you want to kind of try to get it lined up together. So if I don't know if you can see this, but you want the score line to match the other score lines going across, so that once you bring the project around to the other side, I'm gonna give these a fold. Those will be able to match up. Now I don't, sometimes I'm gonna use glue and adhesive, my adhesive runner, because sometimes when I glue these Gable boxes together, when I use the tape runner, they come apart easily. So what we're gonna do is just add some adhesive to the bottom. We're gonna do this, and then we're gonna add some glue as well. I'm almost running out of this. I use this a lot. I love it. And we're gonna add a little bit of glue. Let me get my other one. One of them doesn't want to work. This one is working perfectly. If you have a glue bottle like this, sometimes you have to stick a pin in the top of it to make it act right. Sometimes it does not want to act right. I'm just going to take my finger because that's a lot of glue. It's one thing I don't like about that nozzle. Gross. What are you going to do? Crafting. And let's put some adhesive on this side. If you're a crafter, you should really be used to getting your fingers dirty. So we're going to get this project all stuck together. And actually, I did it wrong. We're going to add some glue to this side. Oh, not glue, but tape runner to this side. I forgot you have to do it on the opposite way, but luckily this stuff is so tacky. Ooh, sticky, sticky. Wonderful. And we want that to line up properly because I hate a sloppy project. What we're gonna do, I got this little tool from the Dollar Tree. I'm just taking it. I don't know if you all can see that. And I hate a sloppy project. We're gonna make sure this thing is done correctly because this is gonna be nice. I'm gonna give this to someone, but we're going inside the box and just adhering that. Now the Gable box also cuts out these two little holes at the top for you to embellish, add ribbon or baker's twine, whatever you'd like. But the Gable box is now assembled, and isn't that cute? I love it. So we are going to embellish the Gable box. Let me just bring in some other stuff that I had pre-made. We've cut some of this stuff out already. I've cut some of this stuff out. Like I have a helper. And I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a coordinating card or not. So I did cut out a card base using a couple of different dies and some other stuff. We've got some cute little fun stuff. One of the things that I did, I hate ugly nails. Thank you. Is cut out a card base using this. Now you can use a regular card base. You can cut it. It doesn't matter how you like to make the coordinating card. That's just a bonus for the video. So here's what it looks like. If you can see that, and it's cute. These are Sizzix Biggs dies, B-I-G-Z, Biggs dies. So we're gonna put that to the side. And I wasn't sure if I wanted to do this or not. Now this also has scored for us. Want to make sure you're folding that the right way. And let me get my bone fold. I got this little tool from the Dollar Tree. I don't know if I told you all that. I feel like I said that already. But anyway, I'll fold here. And I don't know if I want to use this or this. This was also cut from that same pack. We're definitely going to use these sentiments that I got. And I actually got these from the Dollar Tree, I believe. They're a little old, but they'll do nicely for this project. And the Gable box also came with the little gift tag that was cut out as well. So let's see how we want to do this project, how we want to embellish this thing. Okay, that's cute. Okay, we're liking that. And I think I want to put some ribbon on this part here. I mean, I could very easily do a dot or something, put that there and cover up the hole. But I think I like the fact that the hole is right there. I think I like that because this is just a gift tag, of course. This is a gift tag. So we're gonna make that, and let's just clip the ends of that. Nice and cute. Boop, boop. Okay, I'm loving this Gable box. I don't know about you guys, but cute factor. Okay, this tape runner is getting on my nerves. Here we go. Stick that to the Gable box. And we're going to put something cute on the inside of the Gable box. I like busy. That is really, really busy, but I like busy. Okay, let's add some ribbon to the top of this thing, and we will move on to a quick card front. Do you want to do a bow? Do we want to do a bow? Yes, I think a bow would be cute. So let's do this so we won't waste any. Thread that through the hole, bring it back out through that hole, and of course I could have tied a bow and stuck it to the front of the project as well, but let's do this. Make it nice and cute. You don't want the bow to be too overwhelming. Sometimes I've seen people just tie it and leave it no bow, just tie the little knot, but that's a little bit too plain for me. Starting to get on my nerves. Here we go. Just a quick project, not even 10 minutes if I hadn't have been running my mouth. I'm not liking the bow too much. I don't think it came out cute enough. I think the ribbon is uneven. We're gonna get this thing right. So let me do it this way. Let's turn it backwards. tie it this way. I'm not the best at tying bows, but I know that I can tie a bow because I can tie my shoes. Okay. That is cute enough for me. And it's cute enough to give to a coworker, because that's where it's going. Coworker's birthday. Didn't have to go anywhere, buy anything. And I love it. All right. So we've got our Gable box project, nice and cute like. We love it. And it has lots of room for embellishments. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on the next project. Hi everyone, my name is Lachey, and welcome to my channel, Style and Grace. Today we will be making a Gable box. I love these Gable boxes. This one turned out okay. I used a Sizzix die. I love Sizzix dies. It's got a lot of room inside. Let me see if you guys put it in the camera so you guys can see. It's got a lot of room inside. I tied the sides, I tied the front of it and made a cute little gift tag to go with it. That actually comes with the die. So these are not new dies, but I just craft collection. And here is the die itself. Lori Whitlock. I love her stuff. She's got SGV files that you can choose from online. I also have a silhouette, so I'll be making videos using my silhouette as well. But I love to use these dies, and they can cut through metal. They can cut through, you don't really want to touch that, but they can cut through leather. And here's the name of the die. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So you're going to need to cut 2 of these out. And if you don't know how to use the Sizzix, I will film a video using that at a later date. But for my first video, I would love to just use this. Let's see. And here's the paper pad I used. I got this from